In today's video, I'll show you how to sort data in Zoho Sheets. Sorting helps you organize information clearly so you can analyze it faster and make better decisions. Let's get started. Begin by selecting the range of cells you want to sort. This is important because whatever you highlight is exactly what Zoho Sheets will rearrange. Click and drag across your data, making sure you include everything you want and avoid including extra cells that could disrupt the results. Once your range is selected, go to the Data menu at the top of your screen. Inside this menu, you'll find the Sort option. You can also use the sorting icon in the toolbar, which makes the process even quicker. Zoho Sheets gives you two simple choices. You can sort in ascending order, which places numbers from smallest to largest and text from A to Z. Or you can sort in descending order, which arranges numbers from largest to smallest and text from Z to A. These two options work for numbers, text and dates, making them extremely flexible for different types of data. Think about what you want to focus on before choosing a direction. For example, if you are reviewing performance data and want to find low values quickly, ascending order works best. If you want to highlight top values first, descending order gives you a clearer picture. The best part is that sorting is fully reversible. You can try different arrangements to see which one presents your information most clearly, without worrying about damaging your data. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can sort your Zoho sheet and instantly make your information easier to understand and work with. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore our other tutorials for more helpful Zoho sheet tips.